Hey, this is Drake Guidry with the Luchek Group, bringing you another listing in Colorado Springs. Here we are located at 4339 Hunting Meadows Circle, and boy, do we have a treat for you. This condo is an end unit, along with being a true main level living experience under $300,000. It features new floors and plumbing throughout. What I love most about this property is that it's located within a gated community. Where the HOA takes care of trash, snow removal, exterior maintenance, lawn, and neighborhood security. This home features 2 bedrooms and 2 baths with an ensuite in-unit laundry. You can't get much better than this. Right outside your patio door, it opens up to a beautiful landscaped lawn, and right behind you is the YMCA for you fitness enthusiasts. Another great feature about this home, it also includes a wood-burning fireplace and vaulted ceilings. Thank you for checking out this home with me. And if you would like a private tour, you can reach out to me at 719-259-2565 or makespringshome.com. Thank you.